since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a film equipment unboxing video. So this is basically technically my second year on YouTube, and I'm trying to up my quality a little bit. So I bought myself some new film equipment, and I bought all this stuff from Amazon. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start out with the little stuff. So I ordered some other stuff. I kind of forgot what I ordered, but I know I ordered a new background. So yeah, I got myself a silver background because I know y'all are sick of that gold one. I had to make sure it was from the same company because some of these people don't have good quality. It doesn't have a weird smell to it either, so that's good. It's gonna be so cute. I don't know, I hope it doesn't wash me out. And I got this thing. This is more of like for like taking pictures. And I needed an upright tripod thing. I was tired of taking pictures like this, like the landscape orientation. I needed a tripod attachment that was gonna turn my phone upright. So I just got this. I forgot how much it cost. All this stuff is gonna be linked down in the description box. So this is what it looks like, and then I can just screw it into my ring light, and then I can take some cute pictures. Here is the next biggest box. So in this box is, I think this is my other tripod. So for my videos, I'm trying to get different angles, and I'm gonna use my phone for that. So I needed another tripod. So it comes in this cute little case. This case is so cute. I love things that come in cases. Oh, it's a bag. We love to see it. This is way sturdier than my other one. I think my other one was made of aluminum, but this one looks like it'll last me for a little minute. And it has this thing on here, and I don't remember how tall it gets, but I think it gets pretty tall. Yeah, this is it standing on the floor, so it gets pretty tall. On to the big stuff. So now I'm about to pull out the big guns. I got this ring light from Amazon, and I paid like $99 for it. And I paid $99 for this one, but she's been through it, y'all. I take this from college back home with me, and then back to college again. And then I just haven't been treating her like I'm supposed to, like I was leaving it on. Ooh, I get a shiny new tripod. Here's the actual ring. I tried to get the same brand of ring light as I did the first time, but it said it was unavailable, so I had to get a new one. The old one that I had was a Zomi ring light. This is a Mount Dog one. I looked at the Amazon reviews, and a lot of people said that it was really nice, so I just got a Mount Dog one instead. Box, it comes with, it looks like some plates that you can like change. I think I've heard of this, but I've never used it before. And here's the cord that comes with it. This cord looks, oh my god, this cord looks like it's just a little bit longer than the one that I have. I've seen these on YouTube. You stick them on your ring light to change the filter, like to make it warm. I have now this Zomi one. As the temperature of the light, you have to use a knob, but for this you have to have these plates. So that's different for me. With the little Bluetooth remote thing, I'm gonna see how this works. Is this a tripod? Is this what you use to film? I don't know. So now I'm about to open this up. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. These knobs are more fancy than the ones that I have. This thing look kind of dangerous. Like this. I do not want my niece touching this thing. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna be taking these plates off because it just took me entirely too long to set this up. Now I'm about to plug her in and see see what she looks like. It comes with this cord, and it comes with this little adapter thing, so you can stick it in the cord. I think I'm about to nitpick. This has entirely too many parts to it. On the ring light, it just came with a ring light, a tripod, and a cord. So all these plates and stuff, I'm not used to it. I film a lot, so I won't be putting it up anyway. And when I do put it up, I'll just complain about it being an inconvenience. So one positive thing I do have to say about this so far is that the cord is longer. Ooh. Ooh, she's so pretty. The knob is down here, and here's the dimmer. She's beautiful. I'm gonna put my iPad inside of this thing so I can show y'all what the light looks like. So here is my new ring light. Ooh, I got the chills. This is so cute. I'm not used to the light being so soft. This light is kind of soft. It look like with these warm plates, but 9 times out of 10, whichever ones I choose, I will not be taking them off. I guess I can keep recording. Woo! This is bright. And I'm gonna see what they look like. The warm filters. Ooh, y'all, this light is bright. Okay. I might keep the warm knobs on here. Why do I keep calling them knobs? I might keep the warm plates on there. Now I'm about to set up my softbox lights. Y'all, I'm so excited. I've been using a desk lamp and my decorative lamp that goes on my nightstand. I've been using that for like 3 months now, and I was like, okay, I'm about to be at like 2,000 subscribers now. It's time to get my stuff together. It comes in this nice little bag. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yes, typical me fashion. I'm not gonna read the instructions. I'm just gonna go with my gut. These little these things on it, just like my ring light. That's one thing that is familiar to me. And this knob right here that connects to this tripod. And now I'm about to open this box. I don't know what comes in this one. So Softbox lights come with these gigantor light bulbs. So no, I'm not gonna screw it in yet. I need to know how to make this thing open up. Typical me fashion. I'm not gonna read the instructions. Typical me fashion. I'm not gonna read the instructions.
Typical me fashion. I'm not gonna read the instructions.
I think it's time to pull out the instructions.
2 hours later.
So I finally got the light bulb screwed in. So now there's this little Velcro thing that I think I can just put on the outside. Y'all can tell I don't do this expert film stuff. So here's my first softbox. So now I'm about to plug it up so we can see what it looks like. The cord has a little knobby thingy that you can turn on. Put this on this side of the light so y'all can see what it looks like. To set up my other softbox. And then I'm gonna clean up my mess and then set up everything with my silver background so I can see if there's a difference or not. So I had to change into something that wasn't gonna blend in with this very, very sparkly background. I'm so excited, y'all. It was time for some new film equipment because what I had before, it was a hot mess and it took too long to set up. So when I finally get the hang of setting all this stuff up, it'll be so much easier. This is my ring light, this is my softbox lights, and everything just looks so It just looks so good. So that's the end of my film setup video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.